Welcome to the rabbit hole. Today, we confront the reality that the universe is far stranger than our comprehension allows. From the tiniest particles to the largest galaxies, prepare yourself for 50 rapid-fire facts that will redefine your knowledge of existence. Let's start where it all begins: space. Did you know a single teaspoon of a neutron star weighs about 6 billion tons? Fact 4: there are more trees on Earth than stars in the Milky Way galaxy. Though that number is still debated, it provides perspective. Fact 5: time dilation is real. GPS satellites must adjust their clocks by microseconds daily because they experience time differently than us. Fact 6: the largest known structure in the observable universe is the Hercules, a corona borealis Great Wall, a grouping of galaxies spanning 10 billion light-years. Fact 7: Venus is the only planet that rotates clockwise. It also has days longer than its years. Fact 8: only 5% of the cosmos is made of normal matter. The remaining 95% is dark energy and dark matter, which we cannot see or touch. Fact 9: if you could fold a piece of paper 42 times, its thickness would reach the moon. Fact 10: the sound of silence in space is actually very loud, but sounds cannot travel because there's no medium. Moving to the deep ocean, the ultimate frontier on Earth. Fact 11: more people have walked on the moon than explored the deepest part of the ocean, the Challenger Deep. Fact 12: the pressure in the Mariana Trench is equivalent to 50 jumbo jets resting on a person. Fact 13: there is an estimated 20 million tons of gold dispersed in the world's oceans, dissolved in seawater. Fact 14: scientists believe 91% of marine life has yet to be classified or even discovered. Fact 15: in 1997, NOAA recorded an ultra-low frequency sound called the bloop, so loud it was heard 5,000 kilometers away. Its origin remains unknown. Fact 16: the Earth's core has more gold than has ever been mined in human history. Fact 17: we know more about the surface of Mars than we do about our own seafloor. Now for history's mysteries. Fact 18: the Library of Alexandria may have held knowledge that could have advanced civilization by 1,000 years, lost forever to fire. Fact 19: the Roman Empire's concrete structures are still standing because they utilized volcanic ash, creating a material that actually heals itself over time. Fact 20: the Voynich manuscript is a 15th century book written in a language and script that nobody has been able to decipher. Fact 21: Cleopatra lived closer in time to the invention of the iPhone than she did to the building of the Great Pyramid of Giza. Fact 22: the largest pyramid in the world is actually not in Egypt, but in Cholula, Mexico, hidden beneath a mountain. Fact 23: when the T-Rex was alive, there were still giant, flightless birds roaming the earth. Fact 24: the shortest war in history lasted only 38 to 45 minutes, fought between Britain and Zanzibar in 1896. Fact 25: the Pillars of Creation, the iconic cosmic dust cloud, no longer exists, having been destroyed by a supernova explosion 6,000 years ago. We only see it due to light travel time. Halfway there. Let's delve into science and biology. Fact 26: a single bolt of lightning contains enough energy to power 100-watt light bulb for 3 months. Fact 27: the human brain generates about 12 to 25 watts of power, enough to run a low-wattage LED light. Fact 28: we shed about 40 pounds of skin in a lifetime, much of which becomes house dust. Fact 29: the small intestine is so long that if stretched out, it could reach the height of a 2-story building. Fact 30: the immortal jellyfish, Turritopsis dohrnii, can revert back to its juvenile polyp stage after reaching maturity, effectively resetting its life cycle. Fact 31: tardigrades, or water bears, can survive being frozen solid, boiled, dehydrated, and exposed to the vacuum of space. Fact 32: a fully grown blue whale's heart is so large that a human could swim through its arteries. Fact 33: a single colony of pando, a quaking aspen grove in Utah, is considered the oldest and heaviest living organism on Earth. Fact 34: octopuses can mimic up to 15 different species of marine life, including venomous snakes and lionfish. Fact 35: the total mass of all ants on Earth is estimated to be roughly equal to the total mass of all humans. Returning to physics. Fact 36: a quantum entanglement means two particles can be linked and instantaneously influence each other, no matter the distance. Fact 37, the majority of the mass of a pencil eraser is just empty space. Atoms are 99.999% empty. Fact 38, due to the observer effect, observing a quantum system inherently changes the system itself. More deep history and architecture. Fact 39, the Great Pyramid of Giza was the tallest man-made structure for over 3,800 years. Fact 40, there was an entire civilization, the Indus Valley Civilization, that flourished simultaneously with ancient Egypt and Mesopotamia, yet their language remains undeciphered. Fact 41, in the 18th century, some people believed tomatoes were poisonous and only ate them after they were popularized in Italy. Fact 42, the last time the entire world was covered in ice sheets, known as snowball Earth, simple life forms were struggling to survive. Fact 43, the sound barrier was first broken on land by a rocket sled in 1947, hitting over 630 miles per hour. Fact 44, there is a gigantic magnetic cloud, 500 million miles wide, currently heading out of the Milky Way, origin unknown. Fact 45, a single strand of spider silk is stronger than a steel strand of the same weight, making it one of the toughest materials known. Fact 46, there are exoplanets discovered orbiting dead stars, showing life might cling to existence long after its sun dies. Fact 47, the speed of light is the cosmic speed limit, but space itself can expand faster than light, hence why distant galaxies move away from us so quickly. Fact 48, the total length of all the DNA in your body is enough to stretch from the Earth to the Sun and back over 600 times. Fact 49, every single atom in your body, except hydrogen, was forged in the core of a dying star. You are literally stardust. Fact 50, the pursuit of knowledge never ends. Which fact blew your mind the most? Hit subscribe for more amazing discoveries.